learn Tamazight language of Tunisia. المذ توتليت تمازيغ in Tunis. So we want to today we want to learn the basics and try to remember it. Okay, it's very basic, simple words. We're gonna try to remember them. So yes, for example, niche. A niche is me. Niche, me. Okay, remember this. Niche, niche, me. Chic, chic, you. Chic, you. So niche was me and chic is you. We're gonna repeat this, of course, later on. Shim is also you, but for feminine, for female. So chic was you, but for man, for a man. Shim is for female. Shim, you. Nitta, he. Nittath, she. Nitchin, we. Kinyum, you. Group of people. Kinyum, you. Group of people. Kinyumti, you. Group of people. Females, for feminine. Kinyumti, you. Nihnin, they. Nihnin, they. Nihinti, nihinti, they, group of people, for feminine, females. The letter N, we're going to talk about the letter N in Tamazight. It's very interesting. And once you learn this, it's going to be easy later on for you to understand the basics. Okay? So for me, niche, we want to say, for example, before we continue, N in the letter N in Tamazight means for, own, belongs to. Okay? So for me, in this case, I want to say my own, which my own literally means in new. So here you have the letter N, it becomes in with eu. In new becomes one word, okay, which means literally my own. In new, all right. So I want to say agrum, which is bread. Agrum is bread. So in this case, I want to say my own bread. It becomes agruminniu, my own bread. Agrum inniu, agrum inniu. So this one here, it directly becomes one word with inniu, with ew. If you want to have ew alone, it becomes agrumiu, directly agrumiu, which is my bread. That's right. It means my bread. It's agrumiu, my bread. If you want to say my own bread, you say agruminniu. Remember, N means means own, and my is ew. So you say agruminniu, my own bread, and agrumiu, my bread. But for now, we're gonna stick with N. Okay, we're gonna stick with N. This is why I choose the letter N. And after, we're gonna stick only with ew, which is my. All right, which is mine. You is mine. So we continue with shik. All right, your own bread. Your own bread is agro min nick. Agro min nick. All right, agro min nick. Your own bread. Shem, you for female. Agro min nim. Agro min nim. Your bread for female. Agro min nim. Okay, we continue with nitta or nitta, nittath. He, she. Here it's hers, his. It's the same. Like you say her, his own bread. You say agro min nis. Agro min nis. Agro min nis. So agro min nis is both hers and his. So if you say agro min nis, you refer to hers and his own bread. All right. So we continue. Yeah. We continue with nichin. We. Nichin, we. All right. Nichin, we. So we want to say our own bread. We say agro min nagr. Agro min nagr. Agro min nagr. Okay. Our own bread. Agro min nagr. We continue with kinyum. Kinyum, you, group of people. Kinyum is group of people, you. Alright? Kinyum, you say agrum nuwim. Agrum nuwim. Your own bread for bunch of people. Alright? For people, a lot of people. Your own bread. Agrum nuwim. Agrum nuwim. Okay? We continue with kinyumti. Okay? Agrum nikmith. Agrum nikmith. Your own bread is for group of people, female. Agrum nikmith. Kinyumti, you, group of female. Your own bread, group of people, female. Your own bread, referring to group of people, female people. Your own bread, agrum nikmith. Agrum and nikmith. Okay? So, nihnin. Nihnin, they. Their own bread. Their own bread. Agrum nissen. Agrum nissen. Agrum nissen. Alright? Agrum nissen. Their own bread. Agrum nissen. So we continue with nihnin. They. Group of female people. Alright? So if you want to say their own bread, agrum nisnith. Agrum nisnith. Agrum nisnith. Alright? Agrum nisnith. Their own bread.